Port BTS, this is MB Seafarer IMO 8732 inbound at 6 nautical miles, speed 10 knots, request traffic update and pilot instruction. I repeat, Port BTS, this is MB Seafarer IMO 8732 inbound at 6 nautical miles, speed 10 knots, request traffic update and pilot's instruction. Over.
MB Seafarer, this is Port BTS. You are identified on radar. Be advised, dense fog in the approach. Visibility less than 0.5 miles. At anchor, empty blue horizon. Southbound at 8 knots. In the narrow channel, maintain a safe CPA of at least 1 month. Over.
Roger. Port BTS, understand about the anchor and low visibility. Do you recommend reducing speed now and maintaining until closer to the channel? Over.
MB Seafarer, reduce speed to 8 knots now for better maneuverability. Keeps listening watch on channel 12. Report at 3 nautical miles. Over.
Copy. Port BTS, reducing speed to 8 knots, maintaining CPA and will report 3 nautical miles. Over.
Acknowledge. MB Seafarer, proceed with caution and restricted visibility. Keep a sharp lookout and confirm with condition worst. Over and out.